A dirty pool right before guests arrive creates pressure fast. 7 robotic pool cleaners are compared today on suction power, runtime, coverage, and navigation. 1 runs on solar power. 1 delivers 6,800 GPH. 1 prioritizes walls before floors. Stay until the final verdict. All the products link in the description. Let's get started. Number 7. WYBOT C1 Robotic Pool Vacuum. Most robotic pool cleaners clean the floor and stop there. The WYBOT C1 prioritizes walls and waterlines first, the areas most visible to swimmers and guests, before transitioning to deep floor cleaning, addressing what creates the strongest first impression when someone looks at the pool. The upgraded independent pump motor delivers 3,038 GPH suction through a 185-micron ultrafine filtration system. Dual high-grip PVC brushes maintain wall contact during vertical climbing passes without slipping. Gyroscope navigation 3.0 follows optimized N-path and S-path patterns, systematically reducing missed spots and unnecessary overlapping routes throughout the session. Runtime reaches 152 minutes from a 4-hour charge, covering pools up to 1,618 square feet and depths reaching 9.86 feet. OTA firmware upgrades deliver new cleaning programs without replacing the unit. App scheduling and mode customization work remotely. A 2-year manufacturer warranty covers seasonal use reliably. Number 6. Beatbot Sora 70 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Retrieving a robotic pool cleaner after every session means leaning over the edge, reaching in, and lifting a heavy wet unit. The Beatbot Sora 70 removes that frustration entirely. 1 tap in the app brings the unit to the pool edge, drains internal water before surfacing, and keeps it floating until lifted. The hydrobalance structure delivers 6,800 GPH, the highest suction in this comparison, picking up heavy debris without clogging in a single pass. The industry-first jet pulse system uses dual water jets, creating 4 streams guiding floating leaves directly into the suction inlet before they sink. A 10,000 mAh battery powers up to 5 hours of floor cleaning, covering 3,200 square feet, the largest coverage area here. The 6-liter basket holds substantial debris before emptying. Full 360-degree coverage reaches waterlines, walls, floor, and shallow areas as low as 8 inches. Premium engineering places this at a higher price point, but for large pools where daily retrieval is genuinely frustrating, the Sora 70 justifies that difference. Number 5. ECOVACS Ultramarine P1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Most robotic pool cleaners use a single filter layer. The ECOVACS Ultramarine P1 runs 2, a 180-micron mesh filter for larger debris and a 3-micron ultrafine filter for fine particles including pollen and sand, capturing what single filter competitors miss entirely in one pass. The 4,800 GPH suction uses S-Flow anti-clog technology that actively manages water flow to prevent blockages during heavy debris sessions. 4 active roller brushes agitate debris from pool surfaces before suction captures it, improving pickup rates over passive systems. IMU-powered Smart Navi maps efficient cleaning paths, achieving up to 99% floor coverage while navigating drains, lights, and slopes autonomously. Runtime reaches 180 minutes from a 4,600 mAh battery on a 4-hour charge, covering pools up to 1,937 square feet. IP68 rated motor and battery protection confirms genuine waterproof certification. One consideration: the 0.6-liter basket requires more frequent emptying during heavy leaf sessions than larger basket competitors. Number 4. Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Cleaner. For buyers hesitant about newer brands in a category where long-term reliability matters, the Dolphin Nautilus CC carries over 40 years of pool cleaning heritage behind every unit sold. Setup takes minutes. Plug in, drop into the pool, power on. No app configuration, no Bluetooth pairing, no firmware updates before the first use. The unit begins cleaning immediately and completes a full cycle in approximately 2 hours. Active scrubbing brushes climb walls efficiently, removing algae and grime without manual effort. The top-load filter basket opens from above without reaching underneath, making debris removal straightforward after every session. One honest consideration: corded power limits placement flexibility compared to cordless competitors. However, consistent suction throughout the entire cycle never degrades the way battery-powered units sometimes do near session end. Suits pools up to 33 feet. UK viewers should confirm voltage compatibility before purchasing. Number 3. iGarden Can Series Robotic Pool Cleaner. Most robotic pool cleaners run at fixed power regardless of what they are cleaning. The iGarden KN series adjusts automatically. 3 brushless motors modulate between 20 and 100% power based on real-time cleaning demand, conserving energy during lighter passes and pushing harder when debris loads increase. 3 brushless motors deliver up to 17,000 lph suction, capturing leaves, hair, fine sand, and small pebbles into a 3.2-liter basket, roughly the capacity of 3 standard water bottles, reducing interruptions for emptying. Runtime reaches 210 minutes on a single 3.5-hour charge across 3 selectable modes: floor only, full coverage including tanning ledges, or walls and waterline priority. LED indicators display the active mode without requiring app access during operation. Smart 3D navigation plans efficient S-path routes, delivering 1.5 times higher coverage efficiency than random movement competitors. Auto parking near the pool wall when the battery runs low prevents mid-cycle sinking. Number 2. Betta solar-powered pool skimmer. Leaves do not fall on a schedule. Pollen does not wait for cleaning day. The Betta SE addresses that by running continuously, powered entirely by solar energy with no electricity cost and no scheduled cycles to manage. Patented twin salt chlorine tolerant motors drive propellers directly for reliable performance in both freshwater and saltwater pools without corrosion risk. The 200-micron fine mesh debris basket holds significant collected volume before requiring emptying, and empties without removing the unit from the pool. Simply dock, open, and clear. Recharge time under direct sunlight takes 5 to 6 hours while the unit continues cleaning simultaneously. UV-resistant coating protects the housing from long-term sun degradation. Ultrasonic radar and 4 water-depth bumper rods detect and avoid obstacles including walls and steps. One limitation is surface-only operation. Floors and walls remain uncleaned. However, for pools where surface debris accumulates daily, continuous solar skimming prevents the buildup that leads to harder deep cleaning sessions. Number 1. AIPER EcoSurfer S2 Solar Pool Skimmer. Every pool owner knows the frustration of waking up to a surface covered in leaves and pollen right before someone planned to swim. The AIPER EcoSurfer S2 runs on solar power continuously during daylight, removing surface debris before it sinks and becomes harder to clean. On cloudy days, a single DC adapter charge sustains up to 35 hours of uninterrupted operation. The 150-micron filtration captures fine debris including pollen and dust particles. An adjustable chlorine dispenser holds standard 3-inch tablets for consistent water treatment during cleaning cycles. Dual sensors with smart obstacle avoidance navigate pool edges and corners without lodging. 4 retractable anti-stranding columns prevent the unit from getting stuck on steps. App alerts notify when obstructions interrupt operation. UV-resistant PC and ASA housing withstands direct sunlight. Twin salt chlorine-tolerant motors handle saltwater pools reliably. The 24-month warranty covers long-term seasonal use confidently. Which one should you buy? Choosing the right robotic pool cleaner depends entirely on pool size, surface type, and how much involvement you want in the cleaning process. Best for large pools. Product number 6, Beatbot Sora 70. Highest suction at 6,800 GPH. Largest coverage at 3,200 square feet. 5-hour runtime. 6-liter basket. One-touch auto-retrieval removes the most frustrating part of robotic cleaner ownership. 4 large Inground pools where performance and convenience both matter. This leads the group. Best filtration quality. Product number 5, ECOVACS Ultramarine P1. Dual-layer filtration captures particles down to 3 microns. Finer than any competitor here. Anti-clog suction at 4,800 GPH. 99% floor coverage. IP68 certified. For pools where water clarity and fine particle removal matter most, the P1 delivers the most thorough clean. Best runtime. Product number 3, iGarden KN Series. Longest runtime at 210 minutes. Full inverter energy management adjusts motor power automatically. Largest filter basket at 3.2 liters. 3 selectable cleaning modes. 2-year replacement warranty. For larger pools needing extended coverage without recharging mid-session, iGarden runs the longest. Best zero-cost operation. Product number 1, AIPER EcoSurfer S2. Solar-powered with 35-hour backup runtime. 0 electricity cost during sunny operation. App control with obstacle alerts. Chlorine dispenser built in. For pool owners wanting continuous surface maintenance without ongoing energy expense, AIPER removes that cost entirely. There's no single option that suits every pool. Match the cleaner to pool size, surface type, and how much automation genuinely fits daily routine, not just the suction number. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. All products by links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.